Hi viewers. Today we are going to discuss about Tulasi uses and health benefits, commonly known as holy basil. Scientific name of Tulasi is Asimum tenuliforum as well as Asimum sanctum. Tulasi is an Ayurvedic herb and aromatic shrub widely used in therapeutic herbal tea. In Ayurveda, Tulasi is known as the queen of herbs. It is used widely in Ayurvedic and naturopathic medicines, which helps in the healing of the human body in natural manner. Ayurvedic texts have also categorized the wonder herb as stimulant, antipyretic, and aromatic in nature. Tulasi is packed with strong anti-inflammatory properties that cure variety of diseases and disorders. It contains enzyme inhibiting oils like eugenol, citronellol, and linalool. It helps to lower inflammation, lower the risk of heart diseases and rheumatoid arthritis. Tulasi has antioxidant properties which will boost our immune system. Tulasi essential oil has the ability to help fight free radicals damage of the cells. It contains two water soluble flavonoid antioxidants, orientin and vicinire, that strengthen our immune system of the human body. Extract made from tulasi leaves will boost wound healing speed. And people use tulasi after surgery to heal and protect their wounds and infections. Tulasi leaves are used in treatment of cough, cold and fever. To cure cough, you can prepare decoction of tulasi flowers, ginger, black and long pepper powder along with honey for at least 3 times a day. You have to take this. To cure fever, take the fresh juice of tulasi taken with black pepper powder cures the periodic fever as well as normal fever. Tulasi is very useful in depression, anxiety management. Chewing tulasi leaves control stress and manage anxiety. Tulasi tea also helps in reducing stress levels. Tulasi tea is quite efficient against malaria and dengue fever. During fever, apply paste of tulasi leaves on cold feet is very beneficial. Tulsi had antibacterial and antiviral properties which help to fight against lot of infections. Tulasi cures chest congestion and respiratory disorders. Now in this pandemic situation, it is very useful herb. Everyone has to grow these type of plants. Camphene, cineol and eugenol present in tulasi helps to reduce cold and congestion in chest. Juice of tulasi leaves mixed with honey and ginger is effective in bronchitis, asthma, influenza, cough and cold. Holy basil has anti-cancer properties also. Phytochemicals present in tulasi have strong antioxidant properties, thus they help in protecting us from skin, liver, oral and lung cancers. Tulasi is very good effective for diabetic patients. Extracts of tulasi leaves has shown to lower blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Tulasi is very useful in kidney stones and gouty arthritis. Tulasi had diuretic effects and it detoxifies the body. It decreases the uric acid in the body. Uric acid is the main reason to form kidney stones. Reduction of uric acid levels also give relief to the patients suffering from the gout. Holy basil leaves helps to cure indigestion, loss of appetite and bloating. It acts as an insect repellent. The dried tulasi leaves have been mixed with the stored grains to repel insects. Tulasi had a compound known as eugenol which will help to lower the blood pressure levels. Tulasi is safest skin cream that can be used and the benefits are massive. Tulasi reflects on your skin when you consume it as well as apply it. This wonder herb is used to treat acne, skin infections, lighten the dark spots and improve skin texture. It helps in skin brightening. Tulasi can help prevent hair fall. It can reduce graying of hair and keep it thick and black. It can reduce dandruff also. Tulasi will prevent premature aging. Vitamin C and vitamin A and phytonutrients and essential oils that are found in tulasi are helpful to body to protect from premature aging. Consuming tulasi tea can helpful for this. To prepare tulasi tea, take 1 cup of boiling water and pour 1 tablespoon of fresh tulasi leaves or half tablespoons of dried tulasi leaves or 1/3 tablespoons of tulasi leaf powder. Cover the water in a pot. Let it be for 15 to 20 minutes. Then strain the leaves and have the tulasi tea. Tulasi is a wonder herb. So viewers, try to grow tulasi plant at your garden. It has a lot of medicinal values and health benefits. This tulasi plant can purify the air also. It is very useful plant. Try to grow this type of herbal plants in your garden. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Shah's Garden Tech. Thank you.